Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm very excited because of the new setup. If you like this setup, because I'm trying to experiment for you guys, so if you like this setup, more lifestyle than my usual backgrounds, let me know. But in today's video I want to introduce you guys to a Nigerian beauty company. They sell makeup products. First off, you know how you want to buy stuff and you end up getting fake, right? This company sells original stuff, so you get where you see like Fenty Beauty bronzer that just launched. Some people are selling it 15k because of shipping and all of that to Nigeria, but her prices are very reasonable. She doesn't add on a lot of price. So this is the brand up close, Paris Purple Beauty on Instagram, and they have a website too, www.parispurplebeauty. Is going to be across the screen, and this video is done in partnership with them as well. I'm their ambassador for the next 3 months, which is very exciting. I couldn't have gotten the opportunity without you guys, but I've been buying products from them since last year. I've been buying since the beginning of almost a year plus now. So some of the products she sent me to use and show you guys are my favorite, Mario Badescu setting spray. Yeah, thank you. So the Mario Badescu setting spray. This is the big size, guys. I've used the smaller size, which I got from her as well. This is their Scandinavia bridal setting spray. This stuff is supposed to be bomb for, bright. It just makes makeup last all day. Their makeup finishing spray. This is the bridal one, which I'm going to be using today as well. And then she sent me a bunch of e.l.f. contour and blush palettes. So she sent me a bunch of e.l.f. contour palettes and blush palettes. She stocks both high-end and low-end products. I also got the Revolution concealers by Makeup Revolution from them as well. I'm so excited about this. Can't wait to try these. I've heard a lot about them. I also got the Estee Lauder foundation from them. This is the 24 hours double wear foundation. This is what the bottle looks like. I'm in the shade Sandalwood 6W1, and I can't wait to try this foundation, guys. So if you like to see the look I create using these products I got from Paris Purple Beauty, please keep on watching. And also don't forget, you can check them out on www.parispurplebeauty.com. So guys, I went ahead and popped in some contacts. Do you like it with contacts? Do you like me with contacts, or do you like me without contacts? Comment down below. So for today, we're going to also be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. The super pretty colors, and that's what I'm going to be using today.
Best advice is put your shoes on and come and get the wife. Cause we've been having sex just for exercise. Every night, man, I'm doing sexercise. She looked into my eyes, now she's mesmerized.
Guys, so I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty foundation, which you can get from them as well. I decided to use it instead of the Estee Lauder foundation. So I'm just going to go in.
Guys, so you can see on my face clearly now how the foundation is yellow golden compared to my skin tone on my face and on my shoulders. Even despite the Huda Beauty nymph I applied over top, I didn't even know all these years that I am a red undertone chick. I didn't know that it's in this clip. I didn't even know why I was filming. It was when I was editing. It hit me like boom. Girl, you are a red undertone girl. I now know why my foundations match funny sometimes, even though I make it work. But I now know why it matches funny sometimes. I find it difficult to get my exact matching shade, and now I know why I'm red to neutral undertone. So it made me so excited. I just wanted to point that out there. I finally figured out my skin tone, my undertone. Yay! So it'll be so easy to pick out foundations now online because I'm always ordering stuff online. I ordered 3 bottles of this Huda Beauty foundation to try and find my shade because I was thinking I was golden and warm and yellow, but now I now know what's up. So yeah, I'll let tell you guys that. Back into the video.
Any shade darker than this will be too dark for me, and I'm not about to spend 20k on 2 foundations that I'll be mixing. So, and I really love the coverage of this foundation, like it's amazing. So guys, for my concealer today, I have 2 shades, C12 and C15. I love a lot of concealer on my face. A lot of people get scared of the amount I put. But then why are you scared for me? I can always blend it out, so no need to be scared, darling. But I'm going to use this brush from Real Techniques, and I'll just blend out the edges first. I always leave the inner part to sit and cool off a bit, so oh, it's blending beautiful, guys. That is beautiful. I'll just apply that where I would like to contour and then blend it out. So this is the face all contoured. I'm now going to go ahead and blend out the center of my face. Yes, I look like a baby girl now. This is my real face. What you saw in the beginning of the video was not my real face.
Hey my loves, I have a cold, so my voice might sound a bit weird, but I just came on here to kind of put you guys through the eyeshadow tutorial part, because these other parts are like pretty much self-explanatory at this point. So yeah, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. This palette is absolutely gorgeous. To prime my eyes, I used the Huda Beauty Concealer in Cookie Dough, and I'm just going to use like 3 colors at most from the palette. So I'm using that brown first, and the way I apply this shadow is I tap it on the edge first with that fluffy brush from Evita Joseph, then I take it in. So as I'm dragging it in, I'm not dragging it into the inner corner of my eyes, I'm dragging it almost as if I'm going into my brows. So I do that with that brown color, then I go in with this tighter brush and that taupey color, and I do that too, dragging it to my brows, as you can see. And then I'm going in with that white eyeshadow from the palette, Anastasia's palette, to kind of highlight my eyelids. And voila, that's all. I wanted to explain it to you guys in case you were wondering. This trick is super easy, and it gives your eyelids the illusion of having bigger eyelid spaces. I didn't drag it inside like I would normally do. As you saw, I dragged it up towards my eyebrows. For my lashes, I'm using these lovely lashes from B Lashes. They're not as heavy as the lashes I would usually wear, and that was really surprising to me because I usually like really heavy lashes, but I ended up loving these. Like, they look so pretty. And then I'm just, finishing up the rest of my face, setting with my Skindinavia setting spray. This method of setting will save you your makeup the whole day. Just spray it on your beauty blender and set your entire makeup in place. Don't be afraid of moving the product around. Because it's a beauty blender, it really doesn't move your product around actually. Just set it in place. It's not like you're using a brush to move anything. So yeah, I'm going to go on back into the video.
So guys, I'm back. Sorry the audio was messed up for a while, but I'm back. I'm done with my eyes. I showed you guys all the whole process. This palette is so bomb. You can get it from them, from Paris Purple Beauty. I'm going to be using my MAC Limited Edition highlighter. I hope it focuses. This is their Whisper of Guilt. It's so pretty. I'm going to use this as my first base highlighter. Like, you already know I love to layer highlighters, right? I'm going to use it, and then I'm going to be using my Artist Couture La Peach over top. So those are the two highlighters I'll be using today. Because of that Huda Beauty name I put on my face, you can already see the glow from within look is already giving me. So I'm just going to add just a bit more, just because I love my highlight to pop. See, I have a pimple. Is it there? Guys, it's granite season. Pimples is going to fool my face. Granite makes me break out, and I love it. In case I'm not in Nigeria, peanuts, okay? They make me break out. And I love to eat it, and this is the season for it, so pray for me. But anyway, don't put highlighters on your zit to make them shine and be very prominent. So I'm going to try and avoid that area. Yes. Damn, dang it. This shade is called Whisper of Guilt. Nowadays is to apply it even on like the tiny high points of my nose. That way the glow on the nose is more natural compared to when you just have just one line going. I just put it a bit here and here so it reflects the light as well there. This eye is like so pretty. It's inspired by Makeup Shayla, the way she does her crease to make it look bigger. That's what I did here. And I absolutely love it though, like, anyway, can you see? Guys, you can layer highlighter without it being too much. Just do it the right way. Guys, like, let's get into this beat. I mean, can you see how your girl is looking like a baby girl? Anyway, that completes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed absolutely watching me create this look from start to finish. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this look from start to finish. I hope you learned a thing or two. In case you have any questions as to how I achieved the eyes, the lips, whatever, the face, ask me down below. Any question whatsoever. Also, please check out Paris Purple Beauty. All the products I use are from their website. You don't need to buy fake products or be victims of people that sell fake products, because they do. They sell it, and they sell it at the original price that you buy an original one. I've been a victim severally, so I don't want you guys to fall for those scams. So I'm recommending this website to you, www.parispurplebeauty.com. Check them out for all your beauty needs. Even if they don't have what you want listed, you can also message them. They will pre-order it for you as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel because it will mean the world to me. Share this video on your social media. Tell your friends to come watch, this stage. You don't have to be staying alone. Just tell them where you are seeing the tips and the tricks from. Just tell them to come. The room and the house is always big to accommodate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah. And you get a GT walk on everything you talk. I traveled. And that day I flew. See, I almost don't want to make up my skin though, like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and absolutely enjoyed me watching this. What the hell are you saying? Is that all?